In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom indicator in Mt5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place the indicator file in the right folder. Refresh MetaTrader 5 so it appears, and load it onto any chart without hassle. First, make sure you have the indicator file saved on your computer. Custom indicators usually come as either .tx5, which is a compiled file ready to use, or .mq5, which is the source code. Save the file in an easy-to-find location, like your Downloads folder. It's always a good idea to download indicators from trusted sources and scan files before opening them. Next, open MetaTrader 5 on your desktop. We're going to open its data directory, so we place the file in the exact folder Mt5 uses. In the top menu, click File, then choose Open Data Folder. This opens the system folders that Mt5 reads from, so you don't have to guess where to put anything. In the window that appears, open the MQL5 folder, then open Indicators. This is the only place Mt5 looks for custom indicators. Now, copy your .x5 or .mq5 file from where you saved it and paste it into this Indicators folder. If you like to stay organized, you can place it inside a subfolder within Indicators, but keep it somewhere you'll remember. Once the file is in place, let's make Mt5 recognize it. You can simply restart Mt5 or stay in the app and refresh the list. Press Ctrl+N to open the Navigator panel. In Navigator, right-click on Indicators and choose Refresh. Mt5 will scan the Indicators folder and add your new indicator to the list. If you pasted a .mq5 file, Mt5 will compile it automatically in the background when you refresh. Now you're ready to load it on a chart. With the Navigator panel open, expand Indicators, find your custom indicator by name, and either drag it onto the chart or double-click it. A settings window will appear. Take a moment to review the Inputs and Visualization tabs so the indicator behaves the way you want. When you're happy with the settings, click OK, and you'll see the indicator appear on your chart. If you need to adjust it later, just right-click the chart, choose Indicators List, select it, and click Edit. A quick note before we wrap up. Custom indicators can only be installed on the desktop version of Mt5. You can't add them directly on the mobile app. And that's it. Download the file, place it in MQL5, refresh, and apply it to your chart. Simple, fast, and reliable.